Alright, it's a video for this pump. Right now it just has the 1/2 inch tube connected. So, plug this guy in. No real noise, just a low hum. You can adjust it to be full flow. Working perfectly fine. Barely any noise. Alright. Okay, so now I have the Y connector directly connected to the pump. And now you guys will hear what I'm hearing when I do this. I mean, it's pumping, it's working fine. It's just crazy loud now, and I don't know why. Even if I turn it all down, oops, leaking water out. That's all the way turned down. It's just super loud. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference as much as I can, but it's a huge sound difference. Anyways, I don't know. Help me out, guys. Also, I forgot to mention, I have tried connecting this 1/2 inch tube to the pump and then connecting the other end of it into this green splitter here, Y splitter. And the sound is exactly the same. It's literally no difference. I've tried that. I've tried having this piece connected to, let me get this out of the water, to this splitter, and then having this Y be on one end of the splitter, and still really loud. So I don't know, kind of at a loss here. But yeah, maybe you guys have an idea for me to reduce this noise. Thanks.